pleased to show you the 2021 Chevrolet TrailBlazer. The Chevrolet TrailBlazer is a stylish crossover with plenty of upside on the inside as well. Safety, comfort, features, and style are all found in abundance with the TrailBlazer. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, auto-off headlights, power driver mirrors, security system, child safety locks, power windows, power steering, bucket seats. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.